Hey, this is Noah from Health and Balance with your daily postural exercise. Today I'm going to be showing you an extension of the cervical stretches we had done earlier. Now, the difference is we're going to be using PNF, which stands for proprioceptive neuromuscular facilitation. Insurance companies paid a lot of money to try to figure out what's the most effective way of stretching the muscle, lengthening the muscle, and so they paid scientists to figure out in PNF. So, this is how you do PNF cervical stretches. You're going to do a straight pull down in line with your knee, and once you start to feel a stretch, you're going to resist. You're going to push back with your head, and you're going to pull down with your arm. It creates an isometric hold. Your head should not move. So you'll do your isometric hold, you'll relax, and then pull down. Again, resist, relax, and pull down. Do not let your head come up. Resist, relax, and down. One more time. Resist, and down. You want to repeat that around 4 times for each one of these stretches. When you're done with that, on to the next. You'll resist, relax, and pull down. Resist, relax, and pull down. 4 times for that side. And then you'll go straight over. I want you to grab right above your ear here. Once you feel the stretch, resist, relax, and over. Good. And the last side. Resist, relax, resist. That's how to PNF.